Hey Kritvik, can you solve this cube for me?
Oh sure, I can do this for you.
Thank you.
Wow, this is very easy. I can do this.
Oh, you're so fast.
Learn this that my father bought me a Rubik's cube solving book. Now I know how to do it. And I can even do it fast. Do you know about that?
Oh, that's really great.
Thank you. Now see, I'm going to solve this cube. See here, I solved this cube for you.
Oh wow, that's amazing. Can you teach me how to solve this?
Oh sure, I'll teach you how to solve this cube easily in beginner's method. So stay tuned to my next video.
Oh, that's really great. I'm right now going to subscribe to your channel.
Thank you.